Hello friends, in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio 2017. Okay, let's go to google.com and here just search for Visual Studio 2017. Once you search, you see a link called visualstudio.com/downloads. Go to that link and you see a lot of links, free download options. So these two are professional and enterprise. We need to purchase them. So don't download the Visual Studio Code. Just it's if you want to a very light version and just want to edit some code, you can use this. But for development of web application or anything, you just use Visual Studio Community 2017. Just click on the free download option. So the download begins. So you see that exe is provided here. Just click on it. It is opening and it asks you permission that you want to install or download some software into your system. Just click yes, and it is asking for terms and conditions. Just click continue and just wait for a minute. So your installation will start. It will take like 5 to 6 7 minutes. So it's very fast. Depending on what softwares or what tools you are selecting in this. So it will give you some Visual Studio products. So currently my plan is to have develop some Windows application, console applications projects and ASP.NET web application projects for my YouTube channel. So I select Windows Forms development option and ASP.NET web application development option. So there is also universal Windows platform. So if you want to develop some universal applications, you can use this option. And if you are playing with the C++ programming stuff, you can use that. Azure development, Python, Node.js development, a lot of things. You can just select that product and just click install. So for now I selected both. So I'm installing them. So it takes a couple of minutes. So once it is done, it will launch automatically Visual Studio. So let's see how much it takes. Acquiring is different with applying. So applying technically it's installing all the products. Acquiring it's downloading. So simultaneously downloading and installing is happening in this new software. They're upgrading a lot of things every year, so technology is improving day by day. Approximately takes like 2 more minutes to complete. So you can see the progress. Depends on your internet speed. 33% completed acquiring. So once the acquiring is done, You will see 100% acquiring completed, finished, and installing a lot of things, a lot of libraries required, templates. Wow, it's 50% done. Some learn options here. I don't know what is this. Some tutorials, videos, so you can go ahead and watch it. Tips and tricks. Opening a project from source. That's nice. Lot of things from Microsoft. You can go and explore it parallelly. F Sharp SDK. Looks like acquiring is finishing its final steps for 97%, 100%. Yeah, finished acquiring packages. So applying it will be little faster now. Yeah, 68, 71, perfect. Please subscribe to my channel. So I'll be working on a lot of sample projects in coming videos. If you want any specific design or templates kind of project, so just let me know in comments, so I'll be working on them. It will be help me that some I can provide some ideas like what you guys are looking, so I can prepare them. Yep, 90% done. So approximately 1 minute to finish, I think. Sometimes it takes longer, depends on the server, 95, 696, perfect. Yeah, it's preparing everything, so finishing up. So maybe it's in final steps to start our Visual Studio. Yep, just wait for the final steps and you will see your Visual Studio opening up automatically. Yep, your installation finished and your new Visual Studio is opening up now. Yep, your new Visual Studio is ready. Visual Studio 2017, and you can create a new projects, design, web designing, cause everything, all the menu options are here, and So that is it, how to install our Visual Studio 2017 in this video. Thank you so much. In the next video I will show you how to create a website, how to create some projects. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.